This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Sprawling mid-century modern ranch on a gracious waterfront lot. This home is an inviting blend of luxurious original character and upscale modern features with an ideal floor plan for entertaining. The eat-in kitchen is updated with stainless steel appliances. Period den paneling conceals a hidden wet bar, and the all-glass sunroom has original terrazzo flooring. Bedrooms are large with great closets and custom built-in cabinetry. Bathrooms are updated with some period features intact. Lush landscaping and mature live oaks make the garden spaces equally inviting and gently lead to the decks and refurbished dock. Shown by appointment only. For more information, review the details below.